Alright guys, if Wi-Fi is not working on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G on Xiaomi HyperOS from random drops in the signal, disconnection, or just connected without internet errors every now and then, let's quickly start fixing it without wasting any more of your time. Okay, so first just make sure you're always near to the router, like in the range, you're not wandering far away from it. If that's not your issue, let's start the troubleshooting by swiping down the quick access panel. Turn off Wi-Fi, turn on the airplane mode. This will quickly refresh your network, by the way. And then give your device a simple restart or reboot. Now, sometimes this might happen just for some minor software glitch, and it's the best way to quickly solve it. After the restart, turn off airplane mode and reconnect with your Wi-Fi once again and see if your problem is solved. If you're still having random disconnection or drops, now we're going to go from settings straight to the Wi-Fi settings. Whatever network you are connected to, simply tap on it, scroll down, and tap on forget the network. Just make sure you got the Wi-Fi password because it will remove it. Press OK, and then reconnect with your Wi-Fi once again. And in addition to that, from your Wi-Fi's main settings, go to Network Acceleration, and make sure this Use Mobile Data to Boost Speed option is disabled, just to avoid the mobile data interference with your Wi-Fi. Now, if your Wi-Fi speed is still kind of slow or laggy, now what you can do, if possible for you, just go ahead, restart your router. Just turn it off and on, that's all. Now finally, even after doing all this, if you're still facing the same problem over and over, now let's reset network settings on our device. From settings, simply search for reset. Yeah. And then just enter reset Wi-Fi and mobile networks option. And before resetting the network, once again, just make sure you got your Wi-Fi password. If you're okay with that, just tap on reset settings. If prompted, put down your screen lock password, press next. And from this pop-up, just tap on OK. And after the network reset, reconnect with your Wi-Fi and see what happens now. My friend, unless there is a hardware issue with your phone, all your Wi-Fi problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.